know most of you guys watched the live feed last night. We hung out with Swags, and then I did a long after show. And during the after show, we started watching Cutlery Corner Network, which historically, let me make sure I've got this level here. It historically sells some of the worst knives, and some of you guys, my so-called friends, well, you guys got together and thought it would be funny. Well, I mean, I kind of started it. I said that if somebody donated the money for it, I would buy the mystery box trio, which is 3 knives for $19.50, I believe. And so Chuck It went ahead and did that. And then that turned into Eggs and Ham. David decided that he wanted me to buy the horrible free shipping knife, which means that once I bought that knife, all the shipping on all the items was free. And then Zach over at Zach Stuff, some of my lovely friends, decided that we were going to buy the Woo of the Week. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get this turned around, I'm gonna screen record it, and we're going to do it so you guys can see live me actually buying these knives. So let me turn around and I'm gonna give myself a cue when to put the thing in. Let's go ahead, screen record this. What is this command? So let's see here. Let's go to Cutlery Corner. Nope, that's Cutlery and More. Cutlery Corner. Cutlery Corner. So the 3 items that we have to buy. I can't believe I'm doing this. So let's just go ahead. Click on this. This is Snapshot Tactical. Add to cart. $22.50. $22.50. Now we have to find mystery box. Got the mystery box trio. $19.95. You get 3 knives. You can't beat that deal. I have the wrong hat on for that voice, but retail price, $90. Let's go ahead and add that to the cart, and then we have to find the Woo of the Week. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, that's the one that's in Rich Light, Tricolor Rich Light. Add to cart. So there are 3 items in our cart. You guys can definitely see that. I'm going to go ahead and check out, and then I will take a screenshot of the confirmation because I don't want you guys to see my credit card number. So, all right, we're there. I am in the checkout. We have a total of $52.53. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Pardon me while I obscure this. I'm just, I don't want you guys to see my PayPal info. Log in. I cannot believe you all did this to me. I thought we were friends. $52.33. Here come. So guys, just to make sure, so don't think I'm bowling, and I'm bull pooping it. Order complete. Let's get you guys back in here. This is not high quality production value. So we have ordered what is possibly the worst knives available from an American vendor. And they should be arriving within the next couple weeks. And we will address that, because not only do I make poor decisions and buy things, I said that since they bought them, I would review them and sharpen them. So I don't want to talk to you guys anymore right now. Go away.